Hey everybody, this is Ray, and today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS device running iOS 6.0 and up. So that runs all the way up to iOS 6.1. This works on iPhone 5, iPhone 4S, iPhone 4, iPhone 3GS, iPad 4, iPad 3, iPad 2, the new iPad mini, iPod Touch 5, 5th gen, I should say, iPod Touch 4th gen, Apple TV 2, but not the 3rd gen Apple TV. So not the latest Apple TV model. This is an untethered jailbreak, which means you can reboot your device without having to worry that your jailbreak will, disappear, as opposed to, a tethered jailbreak, which requires you to plug in your device to a computer and then rerun the jailbreak app again after you reboot it. Okay, so this jailbreak is called Evasi0n iOS 6.x, and the first thing you need to do is make sure you have one of those compatible devices I just named, and then you gotta go to the website and download it. So the next step you have to do is go to the Evasi0n websites that Evasi0n website. That's Evasi0n.com. It will check if you are using a compatible web browser. And then from there, it's just a matter of picking your application of choice to jailbreak it. So you've got Linux, you've got Mac OS X, and then you've also got Windows. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Mac OS X, running Mountain Lion. So that's what you'll have to do. So you can scroll down here, and then you'll click on one of these mirrors. So I'm going to use the Mega one for Mac OS X, and you use whatever you want for your operating system. So I'm going to go ahead and download that first. And I click agree and download it. And as you can see, it took a couple of seconds to download the file. It's only 9.2 megabytes. You want to open it up. In this case, I'm going to double click on the icon on the desktop, and we're just going to open the README. If you want to take a look at what's in the README, it shows you instructions on how to install it. So it tells you to back up your device using iTunes or iCloud, and those who use backup passwords in iTunes must disable them for now. After doing so, iTunes makes a brand new backup. Please wait for that backup to complete before proceeding. Feel free to re-enable your backup password after jailbreaking. Please disable the lock passcode of your iOS device before using Evasi0n. It can cause issues. Launch Evasi0n, plug in your device, and click jailbreak. Just sit back and observe its progress. Right here, I've got a 32 gigabyte iPhone 4. This used to be on AT&T. It's now unlocked officially by AT&T, as I showed you how to do in one of my previous videos, which I'll include over here. And so you can see that it's running 6.1, and all you have to do to jailbreak is get a USB cord. Okay, and we're going to just take this and plug it in. Just going to plug it into my USB port right here. So now it's plugged in. Okay, it's plugged in right here. I would be doing this on my iPhone 5, but I'm using that to record this video. If you have an iPhone 5, this will work as well. Now that we've got the iPhone attached through USB, you can go ahead and click on the Evasi0n icon. So we're going to click on this, we're going to click open, and click jailbreak. It says it's connecting to the device, retrieving information from the device to generate jailbreak data. Remember, don't unplug your iPhone while this is happening, and we're just going to let this do its thing. So at this point it says, to continue, please unlock your device and tap the new jailbreak icon. Only tap it once. The screen will go black and then return to your home screen. So looking down here at my iPhone Or you can see that a jailbreak icon is now here. I'm going to click on it once. It goes black. Boom. And now the rest of the jailbreak is continuing. Jailbreak is complete. The device may restart a few times as it completes the process. So we're going to exit that. And we'll go back to the iPhone and wait for it to reboot. So you can see it says it's setting up Cydia right now. I'm going to turn over my computer a little just because the cord is too short. Should use my longer cord. Okay, so punch in my temporary code and we're going to go here. You can see right here the Cydia store is installed. Okay, the Cydia store is installed. And if we go to settings, I'm going to go to general and go to about. You can see again right here version 6.1 10B144 and the Cydia store. So we can click on the Cydia store and it says it's going to prepare our file system. We're going to go back to the Cydia store and it should load up. So there you go. It says, who are you, a hacker, user? Well, we're going to be regular users, tweaks, and themes. No hackers and no developers. And click done. And there you go. You now have Cydia on your device. You can install a whole bunch of cool features, tweaks. I like boss prefs, quick toggles on the top in your notification center. That's one of the things I'm going to be installing. And use the jailbreak for only good. So now that you've jailbroken your device, let us know in the comments section below if you're having any trouble. I'll be glad to answer any questions. And don't forget, now that you're done, you can drink something like this awesome Mexican Coke I got here. As you can see, I already celebrated a little early. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, add it to your favorites, give it a thumbs up, share it to Facebook and Twitter, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, everyone.